What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. As you can see, I just doubled my account in a single trade. Wow. For those of you who doubt that I can double an account, it's just happened in your eyes. As you can see, like when I saw this opportunity, I took it with high standards. You see, like the size of the account is 172, but I opened like a full standard on this, trade, and it's rewarded me so far. I know it's gonna still go up, but since I put in a lot of weight on this trade, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it immediately. See that? That's two. That's the size of my account in a single trade. Let me close it. Let me close it. That's it right there in your eyes. Account doubled. Thank you, everybody. I hope you understand what my movement is all about. I'm all about empowering people. I'm all about showing you the real stuff of forex trading. I hope you are helped. I hope you see something, you learn something. Unfortunately, because I'm using my phone, I can't like go to my trades and stuff like that to show you what my analysis was based on. Nonetheless, you saw it with your own eyes. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. God bless you. We love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex